Yo, what's up? How we doing? Yo, Jim. Hey, Kyle. Top of Fiddle. Good evening, guys. How you guys doing tonight? We're back at it. Another day, another dollar. Hey? Yeah. All right. Well, I just got to get the links going here real quick for the channel. You know how it goes. Head over to the channel, copy the link for the full-size stream, copy and paste it into the vertical. Pin that bad boy. Then we'll go back over to the full-size stream and get that thing going, and also copy the Discord link. So make sure you guys make sure you guys do it. If you haven't gone to the Discord, head over to the giveaway channel and fill out that form again. We got a fresh form happening. So make sure you get over there and get your name on the list. You tired AF? Been up since 4:30 Eastern? Whoa, damn, bro. Looking like we got the buy situation. Hey, Rob? Looking like we got the buy situation right now for sure. Can't agree more. Can't seem to click on my view up though. What? There we go. Better get my standard deviations going here since we're well above the VWAP. I had this channel drawn earlier, and then man, at the 6 or 9 p.m. we just rocketed up there. I don't know. Was there some news? I never looked, but I refresh my financial juice here. Hey, Clee's in the house. Good evening, Clee. How are you? Thursday night. You guys got tomorrow off, don't you? So, 18. Nothing really shows. Oh, no red folders anyways of anything that happened at that time. I'm not really sure why we got that pop, but we did. Just, I guess, a consolidation built up, and then we just rocketed. Seems like it. Yeah, big green candle off the Beijing Open. That's what it was. If we inverse a 1 hour fair value gap, it's going higher. If we retrace, we have a higher time frame fair value gap here. Let's take a look here. 1 hour. Oh yes, I see that. I see that. So yeah, you're right. If we get through this level here, then we'll be looking at this guy for our next target up here. So let's put this guy orange, this guy orange, and we'll label it 1 hour fair value gaps. Small size, big dream, slow stack, no tilt. One micro today can become a house built. Mr. Move fine, don't chase the thrill, cause revenge trades got a bigger bill. MNQ dirty, but I love it, let it ride. East session high while the chat decide. Bone a candle print and the bears all hide. Market put your gang, keep the dream alive. Oil slippery, don't let it slide. Crazy Pop got chopped. Oh, Jane, damn. Hopefully you had a stop loss in there. Never a day off, Akeley. Oh yeah, I guess when you're your own boss, when you run your own business. Yes, I know what you mean. Exactly, don't even know the definition of a day off. Damn. You guys are just always working so hard, hey? Between trading and working on real life. Damn. So we do have contracts above at 750. Take a look at the actual NQ contracts here. Yeah, 750. We got 13 contracts up there. Looks like there are some algorithm orders, but we'll probably end up watching MNQ. There's a little bit more to see on here. 745 and 750. We have a bunch. So maybe we're going to pull back and retest this trend line, which I had in here for a while. As you can see. Oh, let me see. Now I gotta fix that. Hate that when I grab onto one of my levels by accident here. Yeah, that was way off. Turn that off here. Yes, so I've had this long-term channel going here, and we broke down out of there today. But then, as you can see, when we finally got back to it, we found some resistance, and then we were kind of trading under it for like, you know, looks like about 30 minutes or something, and then we ended up finally getting above it. So maybe we're going to get a retest to that channel here before we go higher. So if we're looking for an area to take a long, let's keep an eye on this 29,665 area, maybe all the way down to 650. Angia, hey, how are you? Yes, thank God I had a stop loss. Nice. Yeah, that's exactly one of the reasons why you gotta have a stop loss, right? Infinite USA, hey, Market Butcher, don't day trade better than me. Don't day trade better than me. Okay, bro. No worries. I'll try not to. Just kidding. All right, let's see what we got. So some orders down at 710, some at 700. Oh, looks like they pulled them off for a second there. What happened? Looks like the buyers kind of stepped in there for a second. And then the orders are coming on above here at 730, 735, 740. Explosive. Let's work. MNQ dirty, but I love it, let it ride. East session high while the chat decide. Bone a candle print and the bears all hide. Market but you gang, keep the dream alive. Oil slippery, don't let it slide. Daily loss limit is my stop loss. Just kidding. I guess that could be a strategy. Make sure you at least set it yourself and don't just go by what they provide you, right? Yep. I gotta turn these tunes down a little bit. They're blasting my headphones right now. Ryan Entourage, hey, FOFF111, is that FOF? FOF 111. Thanks, Topple. Yeah, I like this one too. Let's see. Weekly time frame determines direction if it breaks the swing by 1% of the asset price, because one institution can only move $35 trillion asset 1%. Okay. Thanks for that information, Infinite USAer. I like daily loss limit as a stop loss. Oh, it's Miss K. You change your name, Miss K? To Bob. Like this here. Here's my. I tried to like get AI to make the "fa" sound, and this is what it came up with. Doesn't exactly work, does it? Trying to find some good trades, but still trying to recover from the jet lag and time difference. Yeah, well, don't force it, Klee. You know, it is a holiday tomorrow, so we might not get, you know, very, very amazing moves today. So you're dying, Topple? Why? Because of the "fa" noise. Yeah, I got AI because I don't know where to find that noise. Like, always people are using that "fa" noise, like sound effect, and I've been trying to find it and I can't seem to find it anywhere. So that's what AI made for me. I was like, let's make a sound effect, and it's like I'll take it. I missed a whole day today. Only had a couple hours this morning, and I've been gone all day. Okay, all right. Yeah, well, I mean, you're a busy guy. You got a bunch of kids and working hard, and yeah. Where did you say you live again, Ryan? I know that you're in the U.S. Just which state? Yeah. Hey, Bobot Willie trades futures. Joined the Discord 10 minutes ago. Windemar, Southern California. Oh, yes. Now I recall. Okay, I'm going to take off this channel there. Oh, my printer's shutting off. I was like, there's a weird beep noise. I'm like, what was that? Oh, it's my printer. Southern Cal. Darn, you put a buy limit at 29,622 and it just saw that it never got touched. 622. Oh, yeah. You got pretty close to it. I mean, you're probably looking at the pullback there after they popped up. What's fa sound link? Did you post that somewhere? Cali is sunny. Cleve, why do you always gotta look so good? Jeez, it's not fair to the rest of us. Did I miss a comment there? I'm dying. Yeah, fa. Oop. Fa sound link. What are we rich yet? No, Gordon's not here, so. And we are pushing up though. We have how long? We got 15 minutes left on this 1 hour. So if we end up inverting this fair value gap, I can definitely see us going higher here, guys. We'd be rich if it wasn't so many of us to spread the wealth around. Yeah, right. So if we get that inversion, guys, maybe what we should be looking for is kind of a pullback, maybe to the 200 EMA, and then we can kind of target, you know, to be on the safe side, target 800 with a stop down here. I mean, I don't see why we wouldn't get all the way into this fair value gap. 880, 850, front run the 850s, maybe. Like that? That looks pretty nice. Do we have orders? We got orders at 800. So maybe our target should actually be the 800s. 799. We had some orders on at 850. Now there's 93 there. This link I sent was a real one? I don't see it. Did you put it in the YouTube chat? Because it won't show up sometimes. So maybe just toss it in the Discord. I got Lucky Tuesday, came 40 from failing an eval, came back plus 30. Yeah, I think you told me about that, Lone Wolf. I think you mentioned in the other stream. That's pretty amazing, hey? You had a silver go against you, right? And then it went in your favor. You're too nice, Dave. I'm completely average. Clean. Nobody believes you. Who believes her right now? Nobody believes you. Quit lying. Yeah, just maybe just put it in the Discord there. I see you're typing. Where did you get that sound effect from? High quality SF sound effects. Fa sound. Okay. I see that. Now I just got to figure out how am I going to download this. Okay, it took me to YouTube. So can I download it from here? I'm going to try to paste it into YouTube here and see if I can just go straight there. Copy. Paste. Go. Vacation next week, so get to trade all week. Very nice, very nice. I like it. What is going on here? Come on, YouTube. Work. Duplicate. Now, can I download that or not? Oh, there we go. Download this video with premium. Yeah, I can't seem to download it though. I see it's on YouTube. Thank you for that. But it's telling me I need to download it. So, Oh yeah, if you can download it, that would be sweet. Thank you. But it says it's like a video, so I don't know. Like, I got to be able to upload it as a sound file. Let's see. NQ is neutral right now on the weekly, but ES and YM are bullish. Yeah, I noticed that today. We had a pretty big divergence between NQ and ES and YM. Yeah. NQ is neutral on the weekly, so all trades are less likely to go right. Plus, New York session is closed. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So I'm gonna wait. We're gonna wait 9 more minutes here. Hopefully, we're gonna get that inversion here. It looks like we're going to, and then I'll be looking for a pullback into this fair value gap. Hopefully, to take a long. Hopefully. You know, I'm gonna go into. Let's go into the free YouTube sounds to audio library, and I'll try to search for it there. Maybe I can get it there too. Search for fa. Nope. Sound effects. Fa. Okay, well, it's not on their audio. Historically, July has been one of the strongest, often the strongest performing months for silver futures on average. Oh, that's interesting. That sounds like you're gonna have a really good month. Win rate about 64% historical win rate. Positive months for July, which is notably higher than other months. Up months have also tend to produce larger gains than down months produce losses. Okay. MNQ looks like it wants to follow MES, but MES is looking like it's forming a head and shoulders. Gotcha. If you're looking to just buy, get in now because the probability is already low with stops at the low and valid swing. Thanks for the input in Infinite USAer. I like that name. Butcher, how was your Canada day? Oh, it was good. I ended up going and playing pickleball for 4 hours. Hey, Keith Smith, how you doing? I'm just a pickleball junkie, guys. I ordered a paddle. Yeah, we're definitely getting an inversion here. We got 6 minutes left. I ended up getting a new paddle and I customized that thing. I'm gonna go get it. I'll show you guys real quick. It's crazy. All right, so check this bad boy out. So I customized it. I put this textured grip on there, and then I put a new handle on it, pink in color. So it's called a Luz glider. You can see that there's a Luz, And then I also put this protective grip tape around the edge. So it's got like, let me make sure it's right side up here. So it's got little sunglasses, smiley face headphones, pickleball, paddle, little cat looking thingy, a camera, a hat. You loves it? And I went with pink as to put, you know, some respect for cancer. And obviously it just goes well with the paddle, the whole color. So it's pretty sick. And then this might be hard to see, but I put in here, there's a little bit of lead, like there's added weight in there, which gives it a little bit more stability, and then also a little bit more power. So pretty sick, hey? You sent it again? Okay, thank you. Let me see. 3 minutes here till we got the where did it go? Let me see if I can just add it right now. Let's see. Media assets, sound effects, add more sounds, add sound. And then I should be able to go to downloads. Yeah, it doesn't show up in there though. Not sure how I'm going to be able to get this. Let's go. Yeah, because it's like still a video, you know what I mean? So I will have to I'll have to look into it some more. There's got to be a way that I can figure out how to download just the sound. But that one, yeah, it is kind of a video. Let's see if I can just go like this and then drop it into sounds. File must be one of the followings: MP3, OGG, M4A, ACC, WAM, or WAV. I might have to like figure out a way to record the sound. Oh, yeah, I need it like MP4. Let me try that again here. Yeah, so MP3, OGG, M4A, AAC, WMA, or WAV file. Okay, thanks, Kyle. You the man. Thank you for that. MNQ is moving. Yeah, we're just going straight up here. So you're gonna have to get some sort of a pullback here. Come on, guys. We got the hourly candle here in about 1 second here. There we go. So we did invert that fair value gap. So let's change this color here to yellow. Maybe what we need to do is target the top of this channel, because that kind of looks like the breakout point. Put the stop just below the channel here. So it's a 56-point stop, and then we could target. If we go to 800, it's basically a 1-to-1 risk to reward. Yeah, we totally inverted that 1 hour fair value gap. Easy, eh? Got to get logged in on the right account here real quick so I can be ready. So 7638. Okay, so we're looking at 733. 733. Oh, geez. That was an accident, but I guess we're going to stick with it for now. I didn't mean to do that. 5-3 limit there. 718. Three limit. I might try to just get out of these contracts quickly here. Just I want to wait for a pullback here a little bit. So if I get into the profit here, I'll probably just close these guys real quick and then just try to re-enter here on a pullback. Okay, we got out of that, basically break even there, down $6, no big deal. I accidentally hit, when I was trying to queue up these orders, I accidentally hit buy limit. So let's see here, 731, 718, probably 705, 704. There we go. I like that. I like that. 719. That was a winning trade. Going all right. Going all right. No, I wasn't in a winning trade. I just accidentally hit the buy button there instead of placing my orders like I wanted to here. I'm patient here. I'll be waiting for a pullback. We did dip into those orders at 50, so we're probably going to get at least a 15-point pullback there. So 40, 35. So it should be able to get in, hopefully, on some of these contracts. So then I'll put a 9-point stop, nine contract stop sort of down here at the bottom of this gap. So 685, 9, 685, 690, 685. There we go. Trade is set. Hopefully we get it. You're up 400 tonight. Not bad going into the weekend. By the way, Dave wanted to prove I'm average. Snapped a quick selfie. Is that, you got a new one? You got a new one there? Oh, come on, Clee. What the heck? If it's one thing that you are, is modest. I told you to get in already. My lowest win rate this year in a month was 80%. I swear, I have 29K on Instagram showing this. Nice stat. Nice infinite user. And infinite USAer, sorry. That's awesome. Right, Topple Fiddle? Like, I don't know what she... If she's average, I'm cooked. 0 profits. I know. She's just being modest, guys. Which is a really good trait also. Not only is she beautiful, but she's modest. So... Beautiful, successful, and modest, all in one girl. Like, can't ask for much more than that, guys. Long from 29,732, planning on letting it run. I'll take profit at 780, 738. Nice. Ralph's doing all right. He's just chilling on the couch right now. Hopefully we get this pullback that I'm looking for. Look at me, I'm asking for a pullback here. Come on. Get us back down to the 30s here. You just need 780 to pass an eval? Nice, lone wolf. Kyle Shees, dude. Ralph is going to be my lapdog. He would love to be. Come on, are we going to get an entry here? Or what? I'm actually going to maybe just put it right there. Come on, don't do it. Find its support right there. What is describes you 100% FN trades? Double check that modesty. Nowadays, people cover it up with their non-modestness. He didn't give me my salute. Oh, well, it's because he doesn't recognize your name, I think. That describes me 100%? No, I don't believe it. Lee, you better not be trolling my boy. I know, right? Trolling me. Close your eyes and buy. I know it's kind of hard not to buy it right now, but where's my limit order? I got my first order is at 32, my next one's at 22, and my third one is at 12. 33, 23, and 13, actually. Am I playing the range? No, so I'm just because we inverted this 1 hour bullish fair value gap, I'm hoping that we get some sort of retracement into that gap for an entry before we end up going higher here, targeting sort of the 800s. That's kind of what I'm thinking here. We have orders above at 800, so that's probably going to be our next target. So I'd like to get a better entry. Wait for a pullback here. Are we going to get it? Maybe not. That might be it. We might hold the 9 EMA there and just keep going higher. Or is that the second deviation band? Yeah, that's actually the second deviation band. So this is the first +1 deviation, that's +2. Yeah, I got an entry there. We're in with 3 micros now. Now, hopefully this thing doesn't just go straight down. If it does, ugh, that's going to be nasty. Quack, quack. So 796 is kind of what I'm looking at for first TP. So we can put 3 contracts up there for now, since we got since we got 3 contracts in so far. Rob Miller, that's a good area. The first 1 hour fair value gap after Tokyo, we retraced 100 points. Looks like this one will be much smaller. I probably would try to not let it get all the way to my stop if we end up pulling all the way back, but we'll see how this plays out. Quack, quack. Hey, Sovereignty's in the house. How you doing? How you doing? Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Howdy there, everybody! My name's Dave. And today, I accidentally bought the top. Again.
Khaled Saleh, is New York open Friday? No, it will be. Well, I mean, the market will be open, but it won't be like a true New York session. So yeah, so it will be open. The market will be open tomorrow. It'll be a short day, but it's not like a true New York session. So volume will be a little bit lower, and yeah. Oh, sorry, Adam Daz. Hey, how are you? Sorry, buddy. I didn't mean to. Got stopped out. Might try again at 29,711. If it gets there, 711. That's right around where my third entry would be. My apologies, Adam. I didn't mean to. Ralph is doing all right. He's chilling down on the couch right now in the living room. So. Dinner. I'm the first retail day trader in the world to gain 3,000 points in a month. Really? Infinite USA. That's crazy. I can't miss Adam Daz, though. I gotta, you know. But I think I did answer you already earlier. You asked about how Ralph was doing, and I said Ralph's doing good, but I just didn't say your name, so my bad. It's pasta. It's pasta with meat sauce, beef. We got like spaghetti noodles. Damn, it's good. It's good. Well, it looks like we're getting a nice pop here off this level. Bullish engulfing on 3 minute. The duck race starts, the chat goes nuts. Gary's duck is flying fast. Savage princess. So far the trade's looking good, yeah.
seconds left to go. The stop losses all ignite. Some random
I'm trying to think, should I be trying to add into this bad boy or not?
overnight. I'm an Amish trader, a funded account evaporator. I passed 3 evils in a row.
Bon appetit.
Somehow got worse.
Looking like, yeah.
I'm an Amish trader, a chart annihilator. But tomorrow morning,
Right in time for the funky song here. Do you trade Tradeify? And if select, which would you choose and why? I don't. I have used Tradeify a while ago. I had an account. I ended up blowing it, so I haven't. Which account? That's actually the very first firm that I used was Tradeify. Let me take a look at the accounts here real quick. I just logged in real quick. Journal, trading journal, trade log, reports.
the Globex open. Thought my setup looked pretty swell.
Overview.
Bought a giant boner candle and immediately rode it straight to hell. Mustang threw me 20 levels. Market butcher said, "Don't chase." 5 seconds later, I ignored them. Got repeatedly punched in the face. I'm an Amish trader.
So I tried so far an advanced 100K and a growth 50K.
My risk management is failure. I move my stop 6 times, then
I use growth and love it. Helped me build fundeds. I'm assuming you meant fundeds. Hey, you got this, Wilson. How you doing? Hope you make a good trade and money. I hope so too. It looks like we're doing pretty good so far. Let's just hope that this thing doesn't pull any nasty NASDAQ moves like it likes to do, you know. No more advanced there? Do you prefer Lucid over Tradeify? Yeah, Lucid's my favorite.
everybody knows where price should go, except me. Frank the Great Pyrenees watches. Ralph the Frenchie shakes his head. Both of them have better discipline than me sitting at my desk. Even the duck race understands risk. Even the ducks know.
So advanced were the old ones, eh? Because yeah, I traded that a long time ago. So Tradeify is gold for Canadians outside Ontario. Yeah, I think you can. Yeah, you can trade it outside of Canada or outside of Ontario.
Cut into a full excavator. I'm an Amish trader, the drawdown navigator. I could lose money on a trade with insider information. Oil slippery, gold heavy, nat gas explosive. Already regretting this.
Already regretting this. Let's get on to base hits here. Hey, Dad, how you doing? You're in the vertical stream, by the way. There's a pinned comment in the comment section there, Dad. If you want to join the vertical or the full size stream, just click the little pinned comment there, and it should bring you over to the full size stream. There's about 8 people watching in the vertical stream where you're at right now, and we got about 90 people watching right now. How we doing on likes, guys? How we doing on likes? We doing all right? Hopefully we got more than 10. We got 32 likes already. Whoa, thank you guys. Thank you. Well, I hope this trade ends up working out here. I'll be over here just stacking base hits. Couple base hits. We'll take that. Starting to pop up here again. Yeah.
Market butcher live. We're not here to gamble. We here. Hey, what's up? Good evening.
Hey,
Live right now.
Miss K, went in the other chat.
Opened up the chart, yeah, we barely got sleep. MNQ moving wild while the volume low key.
Who's our broken stops here? Broken stops. What happened? There we go. You gotta stop changing your name. I'm get so confused. There's too many names to follow. Hey Butcher, what habits have you changed since you started trading? I've been just trying to take less trades here. So, hey, Marty Trades, how you doing? I try my best to not like go too heavy, which sometimes I don't always achieve that, but yeah. I'll go like the vertical. Hey, no, you don't have to go like the vertical. It's all good. I'm more worried about the full size stream. You took a huge loss, $800. When did you do that? Morning trade, I caught the MNQ straight down 400. Oh, one micro, 400 points. Damn. Or unless you had more contracts and you lost 400 points off multiple contracts total.
Let my daughter date him. What? That's the weirdest compliment I ever got. Got bears outside, got chickens too.
Miss K and Kyle going, what's up? So guys, make sure you head over to the Discord and fill out the form. We did put a new form in the Discord, so if you haven't gone over there to fill it out again, definitely do so. Oh yeah, you had 3 contracts and you thought it was going to retrace, but it kept going down, down, down. Yeah, hate when it does that, right? Let's do a duck race 6 seconds while we wait for the market to move. Winner gets a song made by Frankfurter. I like it. Well, we went from 32 likes to 41 likes just like that. So, ooh. Maybe we definitely should make another song tonight. I'm scalping every move. Mess running slow, but I'm still in the groove. Stop, lost, tight now. Thinking about adding one here. I just don't want to add too early. So what did we hit there? We hit 60s, 50, 45, 45, 41. Somebody said they ain't slept in a while. Tips to avoid over leveraging. Step 1, don't trade like a savage. Nah, I can't hit by with his butt on the trade down green like yeah, I planned it that way. I ran news, oil moving strange. Market don't care, still crabbing the range. I slipped on a dog turd today. Bro, what? Chat going off, yeah, we love that. When I filled out the form, it said, congratulations, you win. I wish it was that easy, eh? Buyers just trying to hold this level here at the what is this here 50 level. Okay, I did add one there. I did add one. So I'll put another one contract up here. So one limit. And then since we have 4, we're gonna have to change this to a 10. I mean, I don't want us to get all the way down there, but just in case we get some sort of crazy news candle. We live. 50 people watching, 20 likes. Hit the button, see? MNQ on the chart. I'm scalping every move. You're short here. Stop 760. Oh no, Gordon's here, guys. Uh-oh. That's not what I wanted to hear. Gordon's here and he's fading me. That's trouble. Nice, new form filled out. Yeah, so if you guys are new to the channel, in the vertical stream or in the full size stream there, we have a pinned comment which will take you to the Discord. Head over to the Discord, then get into the giveaway channel. In the giveaway channel, scroll to the top. There's a pinned comment at the top there with a link to a form. So go click on that form, fill it out, and you'll be entered into next Sunday's giveaway. You'll only have to fill out that form once per month. So if you get in it now, you'll be in for the next, I think it's 4 Sundays. We have 4 Sundays this month. 5, 12. Yeah, so you'll be in for the next 4 Sundays in a row. So yeah, so head on into the Discord, fill out that form. You'll be entered for the Sunday giveaways. We do a 25K flex eval from Lucid every Sunday. Throughout the week, like tonight, for example, we're going to be doing a duck race, which I'll link the form once we get up to 100 likes. So once we get to 100 likes, we'll do a duck race tonight. Whoever wins that duck race tonight is going to be entered into or have an extra duck for the Sunday race. So yeah, fill out the form on the Discord, win the duck race tonight, and you're gonna have 2 ducks for next Sunday's race. Kind of idea. Just trying to because I don't have a ton of accounts to give away, just trying to make sure that you guys have lots of opportunities for like better opportunities if you're part of the stream Monday to Friday every day, you know. Gordon Gecko is market maker targeting my eval trade. Simulated stop loss. Yeah. Rigged. Somebody put who did that? Ryan Entourage, Keith Matthews. You guys all put rigged under the Charles Jolly Jiminy Crickets. Hey, like the stream. Yeah, thank you guys. I like the rigged. Somebody put it. Who? I wonder who put that. That's pretty awesome. Maybe it's the first name that was there, so that would be a... Don't worry, you didn't lose much on that trade. It's either Keith Matthews or Vic, one or the other. Yeah, somebody's clever. Oh, there you go. Keith Matthews did it. It's rigged. MNQ on the chart. I'm scalping every move. Mess running slow, but I'm still in the groove. Stop loss tight. Nah, wait, maybe not. No stop loss. I just want to blow the account. Had to be a child with the spelling because they missed a G. That's funny. Don't call Keith Matthews a child. Look at the drop. Yeah, check going wild. Somebody said they ain't slept in a while. Tips to avoid over leveraging. Step 1, don't trade like a savage. Nah, I can't hit by with this pot on the trade down green like yeah, I planned it that way. I ran news or you're moving strange. Market don't care, still crabbing a range. Wow, we're getting a pop. We are getting a pop here. Oh, you can't do 2 of the same letter? Gotcha. Chat, are we sure Butcher isn't market maker artificially pumping the market like this? Oh, I moved this for some reason. So it wouldn't let you put 2 G's in a row, I guess, hey? Oh, yeah, because if you try to do another G, maybe you got to put like a G, then a hyphen, and then a G or something. So it wasn't a spelling mistake. It was It was a digital issue.
Small size gang, yeah, we don't rush. Market butcher, base hits only, no fuss. Don't worry, you didn't lose much on that trade. Right?
The logic behind the 795 TP is that we have orders at 800. So I'm just going to front run those orders at 800. That's what I'm looking at right there.
MNQ on the chart, I'm scalping every move. Mess running slow, but I'm still in the groove.
Can you expand on that digital issue?
Stop loss. I just wanna blow
Well, you know, I just mean like whatever the way that they coded it, you can't put two G's in a row, right? Because if you put a G, then it'll just probably try to add it to the other G. So
no fuss.
you're not stupid.
Somebody said they ain't slept in a while. Tips to avoid over leveraging. Step one, don't trade like a savage. Nah, I can't.
Yeah, wrong trade, Jim. The reason I put my TP at 95 is we have 140 contracts at 800. So I'm hoping that we're going to end up getting up there. But I don't really like this pullback.
Watching only 21 likes. Hit that button, don't be that guy. If you act tag it, we might just bounce or fake you out and take you out. Go long, let's eat. I'm short 5 micros, I'm in too deep. I don't get this pump. Yeah, same bro.
I hope that's not the extent of the pump there. Oh, there we go. Getting a push back up here a bit.
Yeah. Everybody got a system.
Your link doesn't work. How do we...
Story.
Hello, do you have a course? Errol, no, I don't. I don't have a course, unfortunately. But I do have a video on YouTube that I could share with you that shows my trading style. Let me link that for you. I think that's the very first time I've ever been asked if I have a course, though. Steal this setup.
Every wicked setup if you got enough time. But I seen good men lose trying to read them signs. Why the market kept moving like it's blind to design. Talking about they hunt your stops like it's all a game. Like some shadow in the dark really knows your name. I ain't saying it's fake, I ain't saying it's true. But if you risk too much.
There you go. Check out that video. And then Dad, I'll share you the I'll share you the link. Maybe it's hard for you. I'll send it to your phone.
One clean trade, I sleep at night. Yeah. I heard the legend, heard the law. Every move mapped out from before. Kill zones here, sessions there, but my P&L like, you sure you care? Draw on liquidity, cool, I get that. But draw down hit, what a lesson that. Wait for the model, trust the play. Meanwhile, rent still due next days. I ain't here to hate, I'm just keeping it real. If it works for you, then go get your deal. But I seen too many stuck in the script.
Copy link.
Flipped and they couldn't
Message
adapt.
Dad.
Ain't no guru gonna trade your hand. Ain't no system gonna make you a man. It's discipline, patience, lost you.
There you go, Dad. I sent it to you.
You skip is the risk you care. They sell dreams and them candles say it's all control. Smart money, this, that. But who?
I mean, you're welcome. You're welcome to come on in the Discord. If you join, so hit the link there, the pinned comment in the link there. There, we'll join you on the other stream, and then on the other stream we have a link to the Discord. If you want to join over there, I can definitely help you with your trading if you want. Just gotta do some markups and stuff, which you can kind of see in my in the video there, how to do markups and whatnot, and then I can kind of like help you. I'm not charging anybody, but I could try to help you with some of your stuff if you want to send me, send me your strategy and your trades and whatnot. Both, probably. Getting a bit of a deeper pullback here. Might be another opportunity for an add-in.
Everybody got a story. But the market, you don't care who you think you are. They sell dreams and them candles say it's all control. Smart money.
You re-entered short, Gordon. Yesterday I full ported long at 372. Turned out all of my funded accounts are max profit. Hey, nice job, Angia. That's killer. Yeah, I do have a Discord link for the Discord. Let's see here. Copy. There you go. Way cool of you, Dave. Not many would offer that. Yeah, of course. I mean, it's all about the community here. So stop 775, low risk. 775, low risk. I hope this thing doesn't completely turn around on me here. I mean, it's possible it will. You never know. Kind of want to add one, though.
Every move mapped out from before. Kill zones here, sessions there, but my P&L like, you sure you care? Draw on liquidity, cool, I get that. But draw down hit, what a lesson that. Wait for the model, trust the play. Meanwhile, rent still due next days. I ain't here to hate, I'm just keeping it real. If it works for you, then go get your deal. But I seen too many stuck in the script while the market flipped and they.
So I'm actually going to move these orders here into these fair value gaps. Hopefully we don't get all the way down there. And this stop loss should come up a bit here also, since we're getting in a little bit heavier here. Well, this trade might not end up working out in the end. We'll see, though. We got to hold this top of this fair value gap, or even if we dip in a little bit. This is an eval, guys. Keep in mind, so don't if you're in a funded account, be careful here. Maybe consider getting out of this trade. I'm willing to let this, to take a little bit of a bigger loss on this account. It's one of these top one futures, buy one get one accounts. I picked up 2 of those guys. Buy one get one free. So one account I have up $1,000 already. This is my second account. So if I end up taking $1,000 loser in this one, I mean, so be it. Not the end of the world.
Everybody got a story, but the market, you don't care who you think you are.
Let's just hope that this thing decides to bounce here off this pullback.
Smart money to stack, but who really knows? I seen traders chase ghosts to their accounts fold. I just stack base hits.
You're looking for a long as 730. That's where my next 3 contracts are sitting there, right below the 30s. But we are looking pretty heavy here.
Every wicked setup if you got enough time. But I seen good men lose trying to read them signs. Why the market kept moving like it's blind to design. Talking about they hunt your stops like it's all a game. Like some shadow in the dark really knows your name. I ain't saying it's fake.
I'm actually going to change this. No, we'll leave this guy just like that. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So this actually has to be 11 contracts, this stop.
Every move mapped out from before. Kill zones here, sessions there, but my P&L like, you sure you care? Draw on liquidity, cool, I get that, but draw down hit.
Not really liking this though. This is looking pretty heavy now. Hey, trading game, how you doing? Might need to tap into this fair value gap though before we end up popping up here. So still got the orders up at 800. 732 was a bull flag inversion. Yeah, we did have a bull flag in there, didn't we? On the 3 minute? Was it on the 3? I think so. This guy right here, right? Which isn't very good. But if we look at the 5 minute, we didn't have it there. So there was no flag or no FVGs. My next new name is WTF NQ. Yeah, I know, right? Well, let's hope that this is doesn't completely just reverse on us here.
Raise it up for the ones still chasing. Dust on the shoes, but the vision stays blazing. From the basement speakers to the city skyline, built it one bar at a time.
Gordon, waterfall incoming. Don't say that, Gordon. You know, you're getting me worried. Now, if we invert this fair value gap and this guy, like, I'm definitely gonna have to be out of this trade ASAP. So we're about $60 down here. How many points is that? So our average price is going to come to about... Okay, I got tagged in on 3 more contracts there. We need to bounce this guy right now. Need to bounce this guy. Bah! It's like one of those trades where, like, I wish I just took profits and then I could be re-entered here on this pullback, right? Could have locked in about 275 or whatever up here. Instead, we're facing a little bit of a potential drawdown here. And maybe it's going to go to a stop, right? Possibly. Hey, Randall, morning. Happy 4th. How you doing, Randall? Get into the full size stream, Randall. We need your input here. Gordon's saying it's going to go down. We need to know if you think my long is going to be all right. Come on, Randall. Get on the bull side, hopefully. Not really liking it, though. So, hey, Dave, 2 payouts down in 6 months. Next one's 2K, and I'm honestly a completely different stage of trading now. Built my leader 50 to 70K. It's crazy what a buffer does to the mindset. Geez, how do you type so fast? This pullback is getting a little scary, guys. You think it's cooked? Could be. No anxiety, no stress, just discipline. Your long will be fine. Yeah, I hope so. I hope so. I mean, we always get these kind of pullbacks, but you never know. Question: once we pass the account, they seem limit the payout. Are the prop firm that doesn't limit payout and the account is permanent? Sorry. So once we passed the account, they seem to limit the payout. Are the prop firm that doesn't limit the payout and the account is permanent? So it depends on which firm you're trading with. You got this, Wilson? So, So it depends on the firm that you're trading with, right? So, yeah, I lost a 200 SMA. Not very good for the longs. Yeah, I see that. I might need to give this a little bit more space here. I'm just going to go to the bottom of the stop anyways. Hopefully we don't just rip straight down here, but it is what it is. It's not. It doesn't seem like a huge risk. It looks like around $500 in this eval. So, 20 words per second. LOL. Wow, you're quick. The overall trend is up tonight. Yeah, relatively. Hopefully I got my stop in the right spot. Maybe I got to give it even a little bit more. You know, I should probably at least go below these guys. Yeah, so you got this, Wilson. You got to just be careful and figure out you know, whichever firm you're using has different rules, right? So depending on who you're using is going to have different payout amounts, the maximum you can make. And then, you know, a lot of times once you hit 2 or 3 payouts in a row, they'll move you to a live account. And then you got to be careful, because if you blow the live account, then you have to like take a break with them for a while. Depends, again, also depends on which firm you're looking at, right? So, hey, Randall, let you fire up here. Nice. Let's go, Bulls. Yes, here we go. Here we go. We needed that pullback here before they're going to rip up to the 800s, please. Please. Lucid, TPT, Tradeify are your favorite? Yeah, those are all solid firms. I know a trader after 500K on Tradeify, he couldn't trade anymore. Yeah, eventually they will stop you from trading with them once you've taken out too much of their sim money, right? So totally. You got in long 750 and you're still resting easy? Okay. Yeah, hopefully this thing pumps here. It'd be beautiful if we could get a TP on this trade, guys. Please. Do us right here. Do us right. Come on, NQ. Don't be dirty. 0 PhD, 1 hour candle looking real sketchy, eh? Ooh, I see what you're saying. Well, unless it decides to go all the way up here and makes it a big green 1 hour candle to finish. We got only 12 minutes left on this guy, though. So we're going to have to get some big volume here pretty quick, I guess, eh? Hopefully we can at least just flip it to a green 1 hour candle. That would be nice. And we got about 12 minutes left, yeah. You sold that short just in time? That bounce? Nice. Good job, Marty. We really got to invert this fair value gap. We need a closure above 752 here on this. Well, it would be nice on this candle, but at least on in the next 2 candles anyways. This candle or the next one. Thanks for explaining. I read Apex 50K account max profit. Max payout limited to 1500. After that, the account is closed. Yeah, so again, depending on which firm you are trading with, sometimes when you get to a certain amount of payouts, they'll move you to a live account, right? If they deem that your trading is not just like a YOLO style trading. So if you're consistently making decent trades, they might do that, right? $112 people. How are we doing on the likes, guys? APM candle screwed me over. That cost me about $300. Oh, on 2 micros. Damn. Yeah. Oh, yeah. That APM candle. Yeah. That one was a ripper. I had a channel going and I didn't end up catching that trade, but that was a crazy move. Oh, we almost inverted that, guys. We almost inverted that. We're going to 800s here. We got to. Let's just be patient here. Come on. Come on, boys and gals. Force Fed, hey, what's up, everyone? Escalator up? Yeah, it seems like escalator up today, hey? Possibly. 57 likes so far, guys. Once we get to 100, we're gonna do that duck race for the extra Sunday giveaway here. I'm gonna start getting the form ready. Which one is this one? Sunday giveaway form. No, not that one. We only have 37 people in the giveaway form so far, so it might end up working out pretty good for whoever gets in there. Looks good, but I won't long just yet. I feel like I should probably think about taking some profits up at the 770 area. Take some of this off anyways. We'll take these 2 micros here. We'll put them at the 770s. Just so we can at least de-risk a little bit if we get a nice little pop. And then we'll put, oh, I only have 3 up here. So that means 3, 4, 5. So I need 11, 10, 9. I need 9 up here. Okay, that updated that. What's the giveaway? Oh, so Maze, if you haven't already, there's a pinned comment there in the comment section. So hit that link, go to the Discord, and fill out. There's a form in the giveaway channel in the Discord. Once you fill out that form, you'll be entered into the Sunday giveaway. So I only have enough accounts to give 1 away per week right now because I'm such a newbie streamer with no followers, 1,600. I mean, I'm happy, but compared to a lot of those big streamers, anyways, I get basically 4 accounts around 4 accounts a month to give away. So I do it every Sunday. And you go to the Discord, you fill that form out on the Discord in the giveaway channel one time, and you'll be entered into all the Sunday giveaways. A couple rules behind it is, 1, you got to be here to win the account. So if you win the duck race on the Sunday and you're not here, somebody else is going to win the account. We'll run the duck race again. 2 is you got to be in the right country to be able to trade their accounts, right? So that's number 2. And then 3 is you can only win 1 Sunday in a row. So, you know, like if you win on a Sunday, you can't win the following Sunday kind of idea. Then Tuesday, Thursday nights, what we do is we do a duck race for like an extra duck in the Sunday giveaway. So tonight, what we're doing is if you enter the form, once we hit 100 likes, I'll set a form. You fill that one out. You'll be entered into tonight's duck race, and that'll give you a chance to have a second duck in the Sunday race. I don't know if that's clear, but it's I always have to explain this. So, anyways, every day is a dream of sorts. Nightmares are dreams too, right? Yeah. I just joined the Discord. How do you enter? Just go to the giveaway channel. There's like a little channel that says giveaway entry. Click that. Scroll to the very top. There's a pinned comment at the very top, and in there you'll see a link to a Google Doc form. Just fill out that form, and then that's how you get entered into the Sunday giveaway. But separately, if you're on the stream tonight, once we hit 100 likes, I will link in the chat of the full size stream here. Into the chat, I'll link another form, and that'll be a separate form that you'll have to fill out tonight once we hit 100 likes to enter in tonight's duck race for your extra Sunday giveaway kind of idea. Extra duck in the Sunday race. Which currency is this? This isn't a currency. This is MNQ Sugar MC. So this is MNQ's the micro NASDAQ futures contracts. Hey, Trina Banana. Hey, how are you doing? Good evening. I like your name, by the way. Pretty cool. So while we're waiting for this trade to hopefully play out here, we do need to get an inversion on this fair value gap, guys. Let's put on a high day view up here. Okay, we're at least above the high day view up, which is good. Let's go. We'll make this guy orange for now. So we need to stay. It would be ideal if we stay above this view up. Since it's our anchored high day view up, that's going to at least give us a little more confidence that we're going to head higher here. I got 2 micros here. The other 9 are up at 94. So, hey, welcome. Do you trade decision NQ by looking at ES? Not exactly. I mostly just focus on NQ. I do have ES and YM open on the side chart over here. So some days I will opt to trade ES rather than NQ or YM rather than NQ, but most days I'm trading NQ. So I do keep a track on that. So yes, I'm a full-time trader. I trade Monday to Friday for market open. Me and an excellent trader called Nick. He goes by Mustang Trader. I can link you guys that guy. He also does a pre-market stream. So if you want to get in there, he's up earlier than me because I'm doing these evening streams. But I'll link you his channel so you can head over there and give him a follow. But he streams earlier for like a pre-market prep, and then I get on at 9:15 a.m. and then we stream together from then on for 2 to 3 hours roughly. So Monday to Friday we're live, and then I'm also live in evenings, 10:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday nights. I think I'm taking one off here, guys. Why not? Let's take one off here. If it's gonna let me take it off. You gonna let me take it off here? Took one off there, so I gotta lower this guy to 10 now. Our next contract's at 772 here. I'm not sure who it was, but someone told you your long would be fine. Oh, I know who it was. Oh, what? Why did you change it to a K now? Aw. It's my only way to see you. So creepy, right? Elite Legacy, no. I've traded gold here and there, but you know, gold has ripped my face off way too many times. So I haven't been trading gold in a while. So hey, thanks for subscribing on Nick's channel there, guys. It looks like we got a couple subscribers over there. We're trying to help him grow his channel too. You know, it's really hard to get more people in to watch the streams during the week because there's so many, you know, well-known traders, and you know, Nick's in the pre-market, so show him some love. Yeah, you know, I just don't know exactly how to read gold. Like, I got to spend more time on it. I usually end up, you know, taking too many stops, right? Dave, you're good. We all think Clee will be slipping in your DMs. Oh, that would be amazing. That would be amazing. Is it creepy if you like seeing my orange cat? I love seeing your orange cat too. Like, nothing wrong with orange cats, you know. I love me an orange cat. I loves me an orange cat. Gold will bite you in the ass, that's for sure. Yeah, I've blown too many accounts with gold. So, you know, I had some really nice trades on gold too, but it just always tends to reverse on me and then takes me out. So yeah, we got to see a new high here. I got one more micro there to take off at 772 here. Looks like we're getting it right now. Go, get it. I'm just gonna take it. So I gotta make this stop now down to 9. Firm. I should probably protect this trade now. We're gonna go break even here. Hopefully we don't just get a reversal. Please don't. Come on, get up there, guys. Get up there. I got 9 contracts left here. Maybe I should take off a couple more here just to be on the safe side. So let's go. I'm going to take 3 more off here if I can. No, really? What the heck, man? What are you doing to me, MQ? Don't do that. Oh, I'm in a long position. These are my take profit orders here. So yeah, we got those 3 off. Well, we got two of the one off of those three. Come on, MQ. Come on. Okay. So what do I have? I have 6 contracts left. Okay, 6 there. Confirm. This guy go down to 6 contracts. Confirm. And I'm gonna lock this into here. Just in case. I'm a little worried that we're gonna not make more momentum here. So I might even take a couple more off and leave like 3 runners here. Should I take off 3 more? Yeah, I'm taking 3 more off here, guys. Let's see. So I got 3 contracts left now. We're nicely locked in profit though, no matter what here. Somehow NQ has to retest after those rips. I know, that's what I'm a little worried about. I just don't want to sit through a whole huge pullback here again. So we'll leave 3 runners here. If we end up getting back below this candle, maybe we should go down to like the 3-minute. We can manage it a little bit better there on the 3-minute. No, I'll put it right down here to above the high day VWAP. 3 contracts left here in this trade. Let's see if we can't get these to go all the way to the TP here. How do you set more than 1 TP on TradingView? These are, I set them through Tradeovate. So I got the trade here. I got the trade on the side here on Tradeovate. So if you want to add more contracts on there, you can do it like that. And you probably should be able to do it here too. So if you go add order, right? And then go limit, and then you can set your price. So let's say we want to go 788. 788.75. You should be able to do it like this. How many contracts here? Don't want to block this trade out though. Yeah, see there? So we got to go sell. So you can do it like that too, probably. But yeah, I do it on Tradeovate, so. Take it one more. Take it one more off. So only 2 contracts left here. Just don't like how we're not getting more momentum. We might get a deeper pullback here before we end up going higher. So on the price bar, you can set on a sell limit and it should do it. Yeah, okay. Yeah, that's no problem, right? I'm up over 500 tonight. Sounds like a good spot to stop and get some sleep. Hey, Clee, good job. Good job. Beautiful. Nice patience there on holding that trade. No, I'm not losing faith. I'm just, being conservative, taking some risk off, locking in some profits. It's probably going to get there, but that's just the way I like to trade. I like to take some profits and take some money off the table, right? If it means I don't make quite as much, I'm okay with it. I'm already up, $800. And I have only about 200 here in profit left, or unlocked in profit. So it's just, like with the way that we had this huge pullback, there is a good chance we might end up having a deeper pullback again, right? So, Butch, that guy, good. I thought my guy, what's good? How you doing? Gordon, you re-entered the short up here? I don't know. Careful fighting the trend, Mr. Gordon. We'd still have those orders up at 800. Yeah, wrong trade, Jim. I just, I'm okay to take profits on the way up, right? So that's just how I like to trade. I know I'm taking money off the potential win off the table, so um, it's all good. I'm okay with it, right? I'd rather just lock in more profits. We had this big wick here, which is kind of like makes me a little bit concerned. But we'll leave these last two contracts here and let it try to run. I might bring my stop up to the 55s here. As soon as we start printing another green candle, I'll probably end up moving my stop up.
Yeah. Let me tell you a story about traders.
How are we doing on the likes here, guys? Once we get to a 100, we're gonna I'll post that form in the chat so that we can do that duck race for the extra entries here. We're at 68, so 32 more. We got 133 people watching right now, so 127 total, 122 in YouTube and 5 in X. So appreciate it if you guys hit that like button, then we can get this duck race going. Yeah, the current market is a little tricky, right? So I'd rather just, guarantee to lock in some profits here. Yeah, 124 watching should be easy. Yeah. Thanks, Aladdin. Aladdin, yes. I wasn't sure if I read that right. So isn't Mr. Mustang's advice if you're in a trade longer than you planned, get out as soon as you can? I'm paraphrasing. Well, I mean, if he was in this trade and he's looking at this price action here, he would be saying, I don't see any reason to exit this trade, right? So he would be locking in profit kind of like we are here, but he would be saying, like, I don't see any real reason to get out of this trade yet. So hit the like. Are you gonna pee in your sleep tonight? Kyle, the punishments are twisted. Totally right. Charles Jolly, bots? You think the viewers are bots? I mean, hopefully not. We've had bots before. I had over 2,000 people watching at one time. Somebody brought like 2,000 bots in. It's like, holy crap, man. That guy's got a strong PC to be running 2,000 accounts. Yeah, you know what I mean. Good night, Clee. I don't know if you're still here, but I just wanted to say good night. Sleep well. They're watching the market right now? Yeah. With this kind of rip, it has potential to target previous week mid-level. Yeah, I mean, I can see that happening. Let's take a quick look at the weekly candles here. We might head towards this channel here up there, hey? But I mean, I'm not that convinced. We do have a 1 hour fair value gap above here, 923. Maybe we're gonna head to 900s by the end of the day. London might take us higher. I'm not really seeing contracts up there though, just 84. So maybe not. It would be really nice if we could get to the 95s, and then the book map target will play out nicely. It's mostly bad decisions. I was sitting there watching MNQ like a grown man watching a squirrel. You know it ain't supposed to be interesting, but somehow. Don't do it. Don't pull back here. There's heavy resistance, potential bounce at 820. Did we just wick down all the way down to? Yeah, we did. Hey, we just wicked down into that fair value gap. We're gonna go to the 800s now. With that kind of a wick there, all the way down to this fair value gap and a quick bounce. If this candle flips green, we're probably gonna just get a little rocket here. Little rocket shift. Like, let's do one of these guys. Let's do one of those. We'll do one of these.
Traders are hilarious. A trader will spend 6 months building a strategy, back testing, forward testing, journaling.
Let's see if we can't get this thing to rocket here. Give us a rocket ship.
Lose all self-control because one candle looked disrespectful. One candle, that's all it takes. A grown man with a mortgage arguing with a candlestick. Frank the Great Pyrenees never revenge traded, not once. Ralph the French Bulldog never moved a stop loss, never averaged down.
We got to do this, right? Oh, that was the wrong one. This one. So we just need to make a trade deal. We just need to make a trade deal, guys. It's a daily risk price level, GLaDOS? Oh, the 820s or 762 bullish fair value gap inversion. 762 will drop it.
And somebody in chat says MQ dirty. Everybody agrees, nobody leaves. That's the funny part. You ever notice that?
Why am I still up and not getting some sleep? I don't know, Force Fed. You've been up since 4 a.m., right? Eastern Standard Time? That's crazy, dude.
You still answer the phone. The Mustang trader draws the
You're a maniac.
beautiful levels, professional levels, institutional levels. Price touches it perfectly, bounces perfectly, works perfectly. And some guy in chat says, yeah, but I entered over here. Brother, why? The level was right there. It was literally on the screen. Oil slippery, gold heavy, net gas explosive. In your account, emotional.
I'm going to feel pretty dumb, though, if this thing rockets up to my orders, and then I really should have just held that whole trade hit.
Duck has edge. Now we're doing technical analysis on cartoon ducks. A grown man yelling, come on, Gary!
And wrong trade Jim's going to be like, dude,
Honestly, it's
why didn't you just hold it, man?
thing he did all week.
And I'll be like, yeah, you're right. I should have.
Market butcher, Mustang trader, Frank, Ralph. Yo, Jim Blab, Misk.
Gordon, your vibes are messing with
See you tomorrow.
Air One.
If you say just one more trade, the beat fades out.
Come on, boner candle here, guys. We got all the drawings in place.
Yeah.
Should we put? Do we need any more flags up there? Anybody else in the chat want to tell me a flag to put up
Actually,
in case we're missing anybody?
I was sitting
Everything's obvious in hindsight, right?
like a grown man watching a
You're out.
show. You know
It's
it
too
ain't
bullish,
so
minimal losses.
but somehow you can't stop looking. Chat's going crazy. Everybody got an opinion. Everybody suddenly Warren Buffett.
Come on, BC. Give us a BC right now.
Guy says,
There we go. Go. All the way.
MQ just sitting confused as hell. Just one
Let's
more
go.
trade. That's what everybody says.
Wait a second here.
Just one more trade.
These orders are at 90. I'm gonna actually lower this just a little bit to 92.
Before the discipline fades.
I don't want to be greedy here.
Just one more trade. Famous last words.
Come on.
Trader will spend 6 months building a strategy, back testing, forward testing, journaling, reading books, watching videos, meditating, drinking green tea, then lose all self-control.
Just a little pop here.
Candle look disrespectful.
A little pop. We only need 10 points now.
A grown man with a
You'll try short at 800.
with a candlestick.
We're probably going to get about a 15-point pullback on the 800 contract. So that's why I'm a little worried about. Should I take one more off here, guys? I think I'm going to take one more. Should I take one more? I'm taking one more. I took one more off there. Just because I don't want to be a D. Here, let's play this song. We got to play this song because it's important to do this. Is it this one? Don't be a D for a T. Don't tell me that's it. Don't tell me. Don't tell me. Is that it? 790? Oh no, is that gonna be it? I mean, it's so close, right? You gotta give that as the trade right there. It's like we pretty much hit it. If the airplane works, you're adding it to all your trades.
This is probably bad advice. Market butcher on the chart, Mustang trader plays his part. V-buck here, value there, boner candles everywhere. Yojin says, ain't you dirty? Misk says, I love it. Top 40 got another payout. Everybody wanna talk about it. One more trade, one more tick, take your profit.
Come on, let's do it. Just hit my order there, please. Might be it for NQ. MES looking like pullback potential. And ES really hasn't done much tonight, hey guys? You haven't heard this one yet? I played this one a number of times. This is a baby metal. Ralph the Frenchie never tilts. Let's go! Come on! Hit the TP. Hit the TP. Come on. Let's hit it. We got this. I'm trying not to be a D for a T here, guys. I guess I'm going to just put the stop here. Worst case scenario. If it decides to just reverse right at this moment. That's a weird genre. What else would you call it? I don't know. Somebody told me make a baby metal song. So this is what the AI spit out. It just won't break above 55. Yeah, the 7,555, right? We got some more orders coming on here at 91. Did I just take it here, guys? I just kind of want to let it hit it. Get it! Please. Please. I'll put my stop here. It might take me out on the stop. Let's just get it real tight. Yeah, I'm out, guys. I'm out. I'm out. Fully out. Fully out. Watch, it's gonna pop now. But yeah, that was a good trade. That was a good trade. We're gonna hit it. Come on. Go, go, go. I just want to see it play out here. There we go. It looks like it hit it there. It would have hit it there. So.
This is probably bad advice. Market butcher on the chart, Mustang trader plays his part. V-buck here, value there, boner candles everywhere. Yojin says, ain't you dirty? Misk says, I love it. Top 40.
I think it did hit it though. It did hit it there.
One more trade, one more tick, take your profit. Don't be
Yeah, it did. You can see the wick tapped right there. I mean, I took it early, but that was a nice trade. Yeah. Beautiful, beautiful. So what did I end up locking in there? 846 on that trade. Wrong trade. Hey, I should have held it all, shouldn't I? I took the majority off before we got there, but oh well.
Risk management, very important, but profits are also nice. Good night!
Good night!
The 1 hour inverted fair value gap was the reason that I took that trade.
Good night!
So we had this bullish move, obviously, right? And then we're in this 1 hour. This was a bearish fair value gap. So originally I had this as an orange color. Let me turn down the music here. You guys are probably getting annoyed with that by now anyways. So now that all the excitement's over, let's do this guy right here. So Skeletor, hey, how you doing? You just missed a killer trade, bro. Not that you need to see it though. Like you're always getting the killer trades too. So yeah, we had this 1 hour bearish fair value gap. So if we go to the 1 hour time frame here, right here, we had between this wick over there and between this wick right there, it's not exactly right there, we had this guy, this candle ended up closing above it. So then basically I wanted to enter on the pullback of the inverted fair value gap. So once it inverts it, I usually change it to a yellow color. And then basically I got in here sort of at the top of, well, this was an accidental entry. I didn't mean to do that one right there. But anyways, I entered on a pullback here, which was at, no, that was exiting. It was this guy right here. So I entered right there, 732, 3 contracts. I ended up adding 1 contract right there. Also on this pullback, I added 1. Then we pulled back deeper and I got in on 2 bullish fair value gaps inside this inverted fair value gap. So I ended up getting to a total of 11 contracts. And then as we got up back to this high where we ended up reversing, I started scaling out. And yeah, worked out real good. Are you Canadian? Yeah, I'm a Canadian, yes. I live in Vancouver, BC, just a little bit north of you guys. Obviously, all of Canada is pretty much right on the border. So, TG Cyrus, you're deep in loss and you're shorts, waiting for it to come back down. Oh, I don't like to hear that. Well, I'm working with 1 contract because I was 100 away from tanking my PA. Now I'm 175. Hey, nice job. I mean, 1 micro 75. That's pretty good. Definitely. Clay's blood pressure would be spiking right now. Oh, is that? Yeah, Clay Trader. From what? From You're what up? Hey, the elevated life. How you doing? Laugh my ass off, Force. Yeah, Clay. You gotta love Clay. When he says yes, he means to say aye. Hey. Yeah, you know we love making those good trades, eh? Are we gonna short NQ? I'm not looking to short NQ. We still have the orders up at 800. I mean, you could potentially try to take a 10, 15 point scalp off of the 800s here, but I would be careful. We've been so bullish here. We are starting to get some orders coming on above. Like, see that we got some orders now up at 850. We got some at 820. So what we could do is maybe wait for a pullback. I'm gonna get rid of this high day view up here because it's no longer a high day view up. Oh man, I missed most of the move once price closed above value area high over an hour ago. It's okay. Yeah, where was value area high? Did we? No, we haven't closed above value area high yet, unless you're looking at ES. Because value area high is up here at 30,037. Let's go let's recycle back to the start of the list here. Let's go back. Start of the music list here. I'm gonna go straight to these guys.
Another stop loss. Another lesson. Another chart.
Sure. Ishan Goel. Dave needs to join the stream tomorrow and talk about fair value gaps and value area high and see how fast he gets banned. Oh, with Clay? Yeah, Clay will be like, get that stuff out of here, right? Haven't heard the Canadian side in a while. Might be getting numbered to it. And by love, he means bans you? Yeah. He loves talking about fair value gaps. Okay, so the book map here. On the left side here, this is a book map. Basically, so my idea was taken, the trade idea was taken off the chart. So I don't use the book map necessarily to take the trade. I mean, I use it as a confluence, right? So because we had these orders, we had like a whole bunch of, looks like we just took the 800 orders there, guys. 170 contracts right there. So we had a whole bunch of contracts sitting there at 800. But what I saw here on the chart was this inverted fair value, or this fair value gap. It was bearish. We were getting close to the end of the hour. We ended up closing on the 1 hour. Let's go to the 1 hour here. So we ended up closing this candle here above this fair value gap. So then I made it an inverted fair value gap. So typically when we invert a fair value gap, we most of the time get a pullback roughly into about 50% of that fair value gap. So if you shift click and you drag this up, you can see this is a 50% point. We didn't quite get there. I started actually entering on the top of at 733, and then I think my next two orders were about 10 and 20 points below that. So I waited for the pullback into the inverted fair value gap to get in the long, and then yeah, the rest is history. So, but part of the reason that made me more confident that we're going to continue higher is having these orders on the book map. So when you're watching the book map here, and you see there's a whole bunch of contracts, right, like that, then you know that price typically is going to gravitate to those, especially because below was really dark. We didn't have a whole lot of orders. There's a little bit, couple marks here and there that showed up, but nothing really serious, right? And we still have orders above. We're probably going to continue higher here. So I wouldn't be looking for any shorts for a long-term trade anyways. So yeah, inverted fair value gap on the 1 hour. We got a pullback after it got inverted into the fair value gap. That's where I added all my contracts. And then we targeted basically the orders on the book map. I usually try to front run those orders just because often we get to those. It didn't really do it exactly today. I mean, what did we get for a pullback there? Quite often we're going to get to those orders and it's going to pull back 15 points or so. So we kind of did there, right? We got to 96 and we pulled back to 88. So not even that much. So today's not the best example. Yeah. So between the trade, the charts, and then the book map helping you with where the contracts are, where the liquidity is, that's kind of how I formulated the trade. Yeah, definitely no skin in the shorts here. Just wait for a pullback for longs. Yeah. We were looking for 100 likes for the duck race. So hopefully we got closer after we took that banger winner. We're at 81, so we need 19 more. We got 134 people watching right now. It shouldn't be a problem. 129 in YouTube, 5 in X. So put that in a video and sell a class. Yeah, it's not a bad idea actually. I should definitely I'll try to make a video out of this trade for sure. Let me write that down actually. If you guys don't have a little notebook, you know, you should keep a little notebook on your desk. I just got this little guy. If you're looking for a way to write things down and keep track of trades and whatnot. So I got a little notebook here. July 2nd. And what time did I get in then? That was 20, so 8 p.m. for my time. And then we got out at 21. So it was 1 hour and 15 minutes. You're in Bellingham. What up, brother? Hey, Ryan. How you doing? Welcome to the stream. I'm in Vancouver, near Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada. So we're actually not that far away, being that you're just across the border. Maybe one day, if Clee will let me, I'll get my green card. I have so many notes, LOL, tracked all over my office, sticky notes, labeling my notes. Your wife is like, what the heck? Is Clee's number in that notebook? Oh, I wish it was force fed, but she's playing hard to get, you know? There's still orders at 825 in the heat map. Does that mean price will move there? I mean, it's never a guarantee, but typically it will go to the orders. But, you know, like those came on more recently, so there's less likelihood that they're going to go there. We do have a little bit of orders starting to show up below. So we got some down at 770 and 783 or so. So we might end up getting a deeper pullback before we go there. So I don't know at this point. But like when you look back at the chart here, like these orders at 850 have been on there for like a really long time, right? So since, what time is this right here? So since around the time that I started the stream, the orders have been sitting there. So that's a good sign when they're on there longer. Kind of like more likely we're going to head there. Now we might be getting a pullback here because we do have a couple orders kind of going on below. We had a 51 contract volume ball there, 71 contract seller volume ball there. So again, somebody taking contracts off when we are getting higher on the chart there. So but maybe a bounce when it's done. Sellers want to hold tight because if they take that line, it might go up a lot more. Yeah. Gordon's going short. I'd be careful, Gordon. I'd be careful. Oh, sorry. Can someone place fake orders to move the market? Yeah, often. So let me see if I can find some here. Let me just scroll this in a little bit closer. So sometimes, yes. sometimes, yes, there will be orders that are kind of like fake. So see here, this 850, we have 114 contracts there. So, and then you see right above that where the 15 is, there's a little white line. So quite often when there's a white line, there's some white lines in here too, all the way through this area. So if there's a white line in there, that means that everything from that white line to the left is controlled by one entity. And typically that can be an algorithm. So it's not necessarily fake orders, because if it's on the book map, it's a real order. Like somebody put the order there. But if it's an algorithm, they might pull those orders off right before price gets there. So sometimes when we have like 37, for example, here, once price gets up there, watch what happens if we get onto the right-hand side. So COB is current order book. So this is showing what's on the book map for orders, right? But what goes on to this the right row here, which is a session range volume profile, is actually the contracts that get traded. So for example, we see the 35 there, but it's got a white line in it. So that means that probably about 10 of them are controlled, maybe a little bit more, are controlled by an algorithm or one person. So if this ends up pushing up to 810, we might only have like 26 or 20 something of those contracts get put onto the right side here. So quite often when you have a whole bunch of, like a large amount of orders or a bunch of orders with a white line, sometimes those orders, they take it off and they move them up higher. So the answer to your question is yes, they can put orders there. I wouldn't call them fake because they're real orders, but they'll put them on there and then they'll move them before price gets there. Kind of like spoofing, but not exactly, right? Because how can they say it's spoofing when you put real orders there and you're just like, know what? I changed my mind. I want to have my orders 10 points higher, 15 points higher, and they move them, right? So getting a little bit of volatility here in this level after we took off those orders at 800. So not surprised to see that. So, hey, you're welcome. You are welcome.
Deep bass. Market butcher. Deep bass.
This is a time the three numbers are a valid request. Yeah, need a healthy pullback to 770, take the profits at the moon. Stop loss when the account blows. How can I get Bookmap? I would love to learn it. Yeah, Bookmap. All you do is go to bookmap.com. It's about $40 a month for the platform, and then you also need to subscribe to data. So it's not cheap. It's about $80 a month total once you get all in. If you pay for the year, it's going to be cheaper. But if you just buy, so there's a bundle package so that you can get NQ, ES, all the metals, and YM. So that'll cover CME, CBOE, and CBOT, and what's the other one? CME, yeah. What's the metals again? I forget what the metals are under. Anyways, yeah, if you get the bundle package, you'll get metals, you'll get the futures contracts, and also the ones that are on the CBOT. 15 minutes still strong. I would hold off on shorts for now, maybe until 29.835. I mean, we got those orders up at 850 there too, right? So this thing might just keep going. I mean, I don't see any reason to be getting in shorts either here. We have this channel here. Let's take a look at this higher time frame channel here. So I've had this channel drawn on my chart for quite some time, obviously 1, 2, 3 days and a bit. So I mean, there's a good chance we're going to get all the way up to 900 area, right? Which is in another 1 hour bearish fair value gap. So I don't see any reason why we can't get there. We might need a pullback. We might have a decent pullback before we end up bouncing. but you know, there's a good chance we're going to get up to there, at least to the top of this channel here, somewhere around here, like on this trajectory. Maybe we're only going to get to like 880s or so. Possibly we have this 15-minute bearish fair value gap right at the 880s, so that could be a good target. So Khalid, you're saying it's $39 with Schwab. You can get the same heat map. There you go. Ishan, Khalid in the vertical stream there is saying that you can get a similar book map from Schwab with for $39 a month. So I'm looking at the session volume profile on your indicator. Oh, okay, I got you. That's what you're saying on the value area high. Gotcha. Sorry, Skeletor, I missed that comment over there. How are we doing on the likes here, guys? Did we get it? Did we get the 100 likes yet? We got to be close. We got 122 people in YouTube, 5 people in X still. 87. We just need 13 more likes, guys, and we'll be doing that duck race. I got the form. I just got to fill out the form actually. So extra duck for Sunday 25K Lucid Flex giveaway. Okay, name, email, YouTube name. Country. And comments. I liked having the comments last time, so hopefully Should I put county this time or country? Hey Raj, how you doing? Red's everyday dog trading, hamburger or biscuits and gravy with sausage with egg. Oh, those both sound good. Both sound good. One of each. Do one of each. County. Oh, you gotta have an account with Schwab. Okay, thanks, Khalid. Oh, you're back? Sorry you had to dip? All good, all good. I love these evening streams when it's a holiday the next day. We usually have the most viewers at once here. We got 128 right now, 5 in X. We just need to get a couple more likes here, get to 100, and we'll be doing that giveaway. For anyone who's new in the channel here, hey, Mr. Rowe, there's a pinned comment there in the chat. Hit that. That'll take you to the Discord. Head over to the giveaway channel. Scroll to the top of the giveaway channel. There'll be a link to a form. Once you fill that form out, you'll be entered into next Sunday's giveaway. I give away 4 Lucid 25K Flexi Vals a month on Sundays. So if you want to get in on that, head over to Discord, fill that out, get in your entry. And then once we hit 100 likes, I'm going to link. We only need 3 more likes. I'm going to link a form in the chat in the YouTube channel there. Fill out that form. You're going to be entered into tonight's duck race. If you win tonight, and you enter the form in the Discord, you're gonna have 2 ducks for next Sunday's race. So you're just gonna double your chances of winning. So I just use the global. Ishan, I use the Global. Global Plus is just allows you to have more add-ons, but I don't use the add-ons. I just want to see where the orders are, right? So if you go with the Global, and then you'll have to buy the data bundle, and the bundle is the most value, because if you're going to trade, like if you ever trade YM, you need the data bundle, so that you can see that, and you can also see metals if you trade metals. If you don't, if you're only looking for NQ and ES, I think there's just a CME one that you can book, that you can buy the data for. So yeah, so just get the Global. That's my recommendation. Just the Global, and then add the data, whatever suits your needs. So if you're only trading NQ and ES, you just need the CME data. But if you're trading, YM and metals on top of the CME, then just get the bundle, the data bundle. Hey, we hit 100 likes. There we go. All right, so I'm gonna remove the link to the Discord right now. I'm gonna unpin that message, and then I'm gonna post the here's the form, guys. I'm gonna pin this form here also. So take a moment, fill out this form real quick, and then you'll be entered into tonight's duck race. If you win the duck race tonight, that means you're gonna have an extra duck on the Sunday giveaway. But don't forget, if you want 2 ducks, or at least a minimum of 1 ducks, you got to head to the Discord and fill out that form. There's 2 different forms. One in the chat right now, I just pinned, and then one in the Discord. So tonight is just an extra duck for the Sunday race if you win. We're gonna give away about 3 winners tonight. So 3 people will have an extra duck for the Sunday giveaway. Just to clarify, I don't want you guys to be confused and be like, hey, where's my account? So tonight is for an extra duck for the Sunday giveaway. So we give away 1 account per week on Sunday, just because I don't get a lot of accounts. I only get about 4 a month from Lucid at the moment, because I'm such a small streamer. But we're growing. We're growing. We're growing. We're trying to make streaming great again here. Charles Jolly, what happened? Did you hit the lottery? Hey, thanks, Ryan. Appreciate it. Always happy to find new people. We try to have a chill stream. I stream Monday to Friday with Mustang Trader. Here, let me link it with you. He's a really, really good trader, guys. So if you guys want to come and tune in during the week sometime, Nick does a little pre-market trade. This is his link. He's a Mustang Trader. His name is Nick. He does a pre-market trading session, and then me and him get together at 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time to do market open, and for 2 to 3 hours, depending on how the market is. So head over to Nick's channel, give him a like. He's got 155 subscribers. We're trying to get him a little bit bigger here. We got 159 now, so we got him about 4 subscribers tonight. So definitely hit him a subscribe. You can see him pre-market, and then like I said, 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, I'll be on. He joins me, and then we do the market open, and we trade for 2 to 3 hours after that. So and if you guys are wondering, I'm affiliate with 3 companies here. Top One Futures. Usually I recommend, if you're going to look at Top One Futures, to go with their instant sim funded or their Ignite instant funding. They do have an elite daily evaluation fee account, $89, but it's a monthly fee, so you got to pay it. Usually I recommend the instant sim funded, Ignite sim funded. Then I'm also an affiliate with Lucid, code Butcher, code BUTCHER. Definitely recommend these guys. As everybody knows, Lucid's a great firm. I really like their Lucid Flex accounts. They come in pretty cheap at $98. No consistency in the funded stage. It's the way to go. They also have a Lucid Direct, and if you know what, I think today's the last day for their 50% off. You can get 2 accounts 50% off, their Lucid Direct accounts. So regular 530, so you're looking at 250, 265. with the 50% off for that one, code Butcher. And then also an affiliate here with E8 Markets, also a great company. The best thing about these guys is they're not going to force you to go to live. They don't have payout caps. They're not going to force you to go live. So you can just keep taking payout after payout after payout with these guys. So check them out. They have similar rules, as, the amount of drawdown, end of day drawdown type. They do have a daily loss limit, but once you get across that buffer, you're good to go. So you checked with Lucid earlier, it's already over, or did you already get 2 of those contracts? Because it says July 2nd is the end of that for Lucid. Let me just log into the dashboard here, because it's only a maximum of 2 accounts per person. Let me see here. Vault. Oh, it's 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So you're right. 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time it ended. So sorry guys, it looks like we missed that opportunity, but I think you can still get about 30% off or so. Yeah, you can still get the BOGO. It's still active, I think, here. Oh, let me just refresh this. Buy one get one free elite access accounts. So that's what I was trading today. Here is these buy one get one free elite access accounts. I bought one of these 100K accounts, and I got a second one for free. Yeah, they still got it active. So for $40, you can buy any size account, and you'll get a second account for free. But the only thing is, you got to keep in mind that they have an activation fee. So it's good if you're not consistently passing, your evals. This is a cheap way to, to get some skin in the game and potentially pass an eval. But then once you get past, you do have to buck up quite a bit. So $260 for the activation fee on the 100K, $189 for 50K, and $139 for the 25K. You can trade up to 10 accounts at once. So if you buy 5 of these accounts, so 5 times 40 is $200. So for $200, you'll get 10 accounts that you can trade. And maybe you pass only 2 of the 10. Then you only got to worry about the activation fee on 2 of those. But yeah, it is pricey. But keep in mind, 40% consistency on the funded stage, which is pretty good. And yeah, relatively good rules. End of day drawdown. So it is a drawdown. So if you're not good at passing the accounts, maybe not the way to go, right? You trade 150Ks and the activation on those are nuts. Yeah, it is pretty high, right? It is pretty high. So maybe the instant sim funded is the way to go. 560 for their instant sim funded. You get it. That's 50% off. The Ignite ones are cheaper, $400, but they have a low consistency, 15% consistency, end of day drawdown. But they have a really high drawdown amount on these, on the 150Ks, on the instant sim funded and the Ignite. So 6,000 drawdown, max drawdown for these accounts. So I think that's part of the reason you pay a little bit more. You get a higher max loss before you lose the account. So both of the instant sim funded and the Ignite sim funded have I think it's like a 6%. Yeah, 6% maybe. Do we need to put anything in the comments for the Google? No, you don't. You can say whatever you want. I don't think I put a requirement, did I? What time do we got here? Let's take a quick look at how this form is doing. Foreman's. So we got 23 entries. We'll give you guys until about 5 minutes after the hour here. Yeah, we'll give you guys till 1:05 a.m. Eastern Standard Time to fill out the form here. We got about 24 in the form already, and then we'll do that depth race. I bought 3, so 6 accounts passed, and 2 was like, holy, that's expensive. Yeah, well, treat those things good. Treat those good. Those beautiful. Really? Soul Search Gurus. Hey, I'm in British Columbia also. I'm in Mission, BC. Another Canadian in the house. What's up? Where do you live, Soul? You can put whatever you want in the comments, Trina. Say like, I love this streamer. Or say, I love Patrick Whelan. Whatever you want. You passed 2, almost $400. Both failed. Oh. Damn, Red. By the way, my code does work for that. So how far is Victoria? How far from Victoria is Mission? Victoria is a ferry ride and a drive. Oh, you're in Nanaimo. Nice, nice. So it's probably about an hour and a half drive to the ferry, and then it's like, what is it, like a 2-hour ferry ride to the island, I think. See that boy good. Yeah, exactly. I got hammered a few times in Nelson, BC in the college years. Nice, nice. Yeah, my mom was living in Nelson, BC for quite a while. My younger brother was born there. Hey, if you go there, Force Fed, let me know. I could always do a trip over to the island. That'd be fun. And it seems like we can hang out with Soul Search too in Nanaimo. So 7 more minutes here, 6 or 7 more minutes for you guys to get into on that form. The pinned comment in the chat there. Fill out that form. I think we gained some subscribers today. We started the day at 1,624. And what are we at now? 1,656. So we got like 32 subscribers tonight. Woo! Thank you, guys. You're from Calgary. There's many YouTube streamers, traders that are Canadian. Yeah, there are, like Stock Tiger. Oh, you came from Idaho because drinking age was 19 instead of 21? Yeah, nice. Hey, Soul. Thanks for subscribing. Appreciate that. What is this? Lucid dinged me today. I was up many thousands and they said I was hedging for 90 seconds. Oh, damn. How did that happen? Did you have 2 accounts trading opposite directions? I mean, they wouldn't just make that up though, right? If you were hedging. So did you have 2 contracts? Like, did you have one going one direction, one going the other? Because that is against their rules. So, and I am obviously I'm a little biased because I'm an affiliate, but I've had some issues and they've always just kind of worked with me. You know, one time I accidentally left some contracts on the chart, and I was taking longs in one account and I had some contracts sitting in the other account that I ended up getting picked up. and they it went to a really nice winning trade in one account, and I didn't realize I was trading the other one. And then I reported to them that it happened. I was like, hey, like, this is what happened. I'm sorry. I think I was hedging because I was in long on one account, in a different one I was short by accident, kind of thing. So you had a funded and an eval, so you weren't trading both at the same time then? Because it doesn't matter if you have a funded and an eval, as long as if you were if you're going opposite directions, they just don't allow that, right? How long did it take you to become a full-time trader? So I've only been trading futures now for about a little bit over a year. So I started trading futures 2025, February of 2025. So I've been trading February, March, April, May, June. So yeah, year and 4 months since I started trading futures. I have experience with stocks and options from going back to about 2018. But I haven't, I was kind of like on and off trading from 18 till 24. You were trading both, but you weren't going both directions? Okay, well, I'm sorry to hear that. Well, you can always, I would recommend just reaching out to their to their support. They're really good about it. So I would reach out to your support, just state your case, maybe give them some screenshots of like the trades that you took. I mean, they can look it all up. I mean, that's the only thing I can say. So sorry to hear that, though. That sucks. Sorry, I lost track of what I was talking about there. Trina. It was Trina. Yeah, Trina, you probably could, but I would be careful about that too, because if you start, I don't know if they share, like if you're on Tradeovate with two different prop firms, I don't know how much of that sharing goes on, right? So I would just be careful about that. But yeah, I mean, in theory, you should be able to use two different prop firms to hedge. But I wouldn't recommend it, because if they ever find out, they're probably going to take away your profits or ban it. So they will not provide proof. I think you need to sort of prove your end, though. You know what I mean? Getting a little pump here out of the book map. But yeah, I'm sorry to hear that, JR. This is the first time I've heard of anyone not, sort of getting a short stick with them. So hello, Mark Butcher. Will London be open? Yeah, London should be open still. They don't have a holiday, right? They don't have a holiday. It's a New York a USA holiday, right? So is there any prop firms that let you trade options? I don't think so, but you might be able to get what are those? Somebody refresh my memory. There's a different account type that you can get. Shoot. I can't think of the name right now. There's another prop, like not a prop firm, but another type of account that you can buy. There is Vanquish. Yeah, so I'm not really sure on that answer there, Ishan. Oh, PWs might be able to trade options? Okay. So the Duck Race Elite is for an extra duck on the Sunday giveaway. So there's two forms you got to fill out. One is pinned in the comment section there. When you fill that out, you'll be entered into tonight's race. But then you got to also go to the Discord, and in the giveaway channel, there's a pinned comment at the top of the giveaway channel that has another form. Fill that out, and that'll get you entered in on the Sunday giveaways. You got to fill that form out once a month, and then you'll be entered into all the Sunday giveaways going forward. You just got to be there to claim it. You got to be in a country that can trade Lucid accounts, and you can only win one Sunday in a row. So that's how you get in on the Sunday giveaway. But tonight, if you fill the pinned comment there, the pinned comment form. That'll give you an entry into tonight's duck race, which is going to give you an extra duck for the Sunday races. So if you win tonight, that means, and you fill out the form on the Discord, you'll have 2 ducks in all of the Sunday giveaways coming up for the month. So there you go. Looks like we are at our time here. So I'm gonna remove that form now, guys. So let's remove the form, and I'll pin back up there the link to the Discord. In case you guys want to get in on the Discord, where you got to fill out the form for the Sunday giveaway. All right. And so that form is closed here. We got 32 entries for tonight's duck race. I'm curious to read the comments here. What people put in. Force Fed and Kyle are OG pimps of the stream. Excited to win. Thanks. I'm in. Hi, LOL. ATL, baby. Love the help and entertainment you provide. Oh, that's nice. Butcher. Thanks for everything. Let's go. Love the show. Fun. I love your stream. I love Lamp. Long week and comments are hard. LOL. I hope you have a great Canada Day. Thank you. Please and thank you. Loving your streams, brother. Keep it going. 50p. I love poutine. I love you and Dad. That's Angia for sure. I really like how you analyze and trade the market and put a jet engine on my next duck. All right, Discord name MT6373. Sweet stream, eh? Enough with the questions. Send it. Save the turtles. There you go. So I'm gonna grab the YouTube names here, and we'll get this duck race going. Thanks for all the comments, guys. I get some amusement out of that, so that's why we put the comment section in there. It's always fun to see what you guys are gonna say. So found the pinned comment and made it. Michael, hey, do you come live daily or certain days? Yeah, I am live daily there. What is it? Sai? So 143. Isn't that like I love you cool? Sai, I love you cool. Yeah, I trade live 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Monday to Friday, and then Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday at 10:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So we do daily open streams Monday to Friday, and then Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday I do like an evening stream. I would do more evening streams, but it's hard to wake up for the morning streams if I do too many streams. So TG Cyrus, I would be looking for a potential long here, but we would have to see a pullback. So I would want to see us get a decent pullback here, but it looks like we might not get it. We're on trajectory probably to the 880s, so we'll have to see. Yeah, I trade the New York, and then I trade like sort of like in between Asia and London is when I usually do my evening streams. Okay, let's get this duck race going here. Edit the name list. Full screen. $210. Oh, not 1 hour and 22 minutes and 10 seconds. What's a decent pullback? I would have to I'm just doing a duck race right now, so I don't really. I'll have to look at the chart again to try to come up with an idea as to where would be a good place for an entry. Sorry, we're doing if you're over there, you're in the vertical stream. Hey, Michael. So if you want to join us on the full size stream, there's that pinned comment there. It just click that. That'll bring you over to the full size stream. We're just doing a little duck race over here. We have about 100 people watching right now. 98 people in YouTube, 5 people in X. There's about 7 people in the vertical stream where you and Sai are right now. So if you guys want to join us on the full size stream, feel free to pop on over. Yeah, we're just doing a quick little duck race here. We have a form on the Discord for the Sunday giveaway. So that's one place you can go to, head to the Discord, go to the giveaway channel, fill out that form. And unfortunately, if you guys missed the form in the chat today for tonight's duck race, we're about to start that right now. But if you want to get in on the Sunday giveaway, you're good to go. Just head over to the Discord. You can fill out that form, and then you can get entered into the Sunday giveaway. So let's do a couple shuffles here. We'll change up the music a bit because we got a duck race song. Where's that one? Stop Loss, it's called, I think. Where did it go? No, not that one. Here we go. Good luck here for the duck race, guys. We'll be giving away 3 ducks tonight. We're off. We're off. Oh, hey, I'm top 3 commenter. Nice. Oh, no, it's gone. Duck race. Yeah, up. LOL, rip. Good luck. Good luck, all of you. Run it. Eat my nuts. Staff. LLLLLWWW. Let's go. Ryan Entourage there up in the front. Wayne in the front. Trading game. Wilson. Randall Paul. Ryan Hansen. Unfortunately, being in the front of the pack usually isn't the best place to be. As you guys know, once we get down to about 18 seconds, usually whoever's in the front gets rejected. Drew 69 Malibu. There I see Malakishan. Long trade Jim. Wrong trade Jim. B4 Bangs something? Bangsy. You think you're in the back? That's a good thing. B flew there. Jerry Trades Futures. Elite Futures, I think. STFU. Kyle Shees. Angia. Sat. Good luck, everybody. Kayodongo. Philly Trader. Stop losses hit. There we go. We lost some people. Sorry, Ryan Entourage. F. Cola. Randall Paul still holding long with the Batman. But watch out. Wrong trade Jim's coming from the back. Angia's ripping up on the bottom here. Angia's going to take it, guys. Oh, look at that. Angia. Congrats. Angia's got a duck for the Sunday giveaway. So we're going to race again here. I'm going to add Angia for an extra duck there. It's rigged. Totally, it's rigged, right? Angia's got an extra duck, so we're gonna shorten the time here though. We're gonna go down to 1 minute, so let's clear down. 101 set. We'll give a couple shuffles. We're going to give away three ducks tonight. There we go, and we're off. I duck you. Good luck here. We got 2. You guys got 2 more opportunities to catch a W here. I see Jerry Trades Futures. We got Jaded there. We got ZY. It's the Wyanak. Somebody Banana. Can't see the rest of the name yet. Wrong Trade Jim. Elevated Life. Satoshi TYO. Drew 69 Malibu. Aladdin the Wand. Oh, stop losses hit here. Jerry Trade still holding the front of the pack. We got Wayne up there. But you know how it works, right? Usually, oh, there, Jerry Trades got rejected. Who's coming? Sat's coming from the back here. 9473. Sat, looks like you're going to take it. I think I saw Sat in the chat just like 2 seconds ago, right? Sat, are you still here, buddy? Oh, yeah, it was Trina Banana. Sat, are you here? Yeah, Sat's here. All right. Sat's got an extra duck, so let's remove the race, and then we're gonna do it. We'll do two more. We'll do two more entries, and we're gonna change this down to a 7-second race. So it's gonna be a supercharger race here, guys. So we're gonna do two more races here. We'll do two more ducks. Shuffle this around a little bit. It's gonna be real quick, so get ready. Don't blink. Don't blink. They're gonna go real fast here. Oh, who is it? Ryan Hansen, Trina Banana. Look at that. There you go, Trina. You got in there. You got an extra duck. All right, one more, guys. One more. Let's do this. Race again. This will be the last one. Good luck here. Let's shuffle this around. Good luck here. 6 seconds. 5, 4. Who's gonna? Rocket blasters come in here. Hectron. Trina Banana. This is for you'll have. So if you, as long as you go fill out the form on the Discord, then you'll have 2 ducks for the Sunday giveaway. You got to show up Sunday night, 10:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. But you'll have 2 ducks for the Sunday giveaway. So that's kind of what we're doing today. It's rigged. Michael? Rigged. Hectron, are you here? Yeah, there you go. Hectron's here. Hectron 860G. Okay, so make sure you hit the pinned comment there. Go to the Discord, and then fill out the form in the giveaway channel if you want to be for sure entered in the Sunday giveaway. If you win tonight, like for example, Hectron, if he's already filled out the form on the Discord, that means on this Sunday and the following Sundays for this month, he's going to have 2 entries into the Sunday race, so that you kind of like double your odds of winning. So, you know, I'm going to do a quick little poll here, guys. Let's do a quick poll. Start a poll. So quickly answer the poll here, guys. I just put up a poll. Quickly answer that poll here, and we'll make a quick decision as to what's going to happen here. I better see 100%, because if we have less than 100%, we might not do it. So, somebody jinxed you guys here. We got a troll in the chat, guys. You guys better get it at least to like 3% of the no's. Whoever hit no, you better go switch it to yes. Don't be a cuck. That's the answer I given. You gave the no, Michael? Oh, don't be nice. Don't be so mean to the chat. We got 28 votes in there, 96% yes. So 29 votes, 30 votes, 93% yes. It's a yes? Okay, yeah. Remove him. I don't think Michael even got into the race, did you, Michael? I don't think you filled out the form in the chat, because you were in the vertical stream. You know what? I should probably start linking the chat into the vertical stream. Yeah, I'll start doing that too, because it's kind of not fair. Although I am trying to get people to come over to the full size stream, but anyways, we're gonna do this race again here. We got 31 votes. They're saying yes. Somebody said no, but oh, I don't know. Maybe you're in there. Maybe you're in there. Let me just take a quick look at the form here. Maybe you did enter it. Because you were in the... Did you do the Discord? Did you go to the Discord and fill that one out, Michael? Because there's two forms. One is on the Discord, and that's for the Sunday giveaway, where that's not for tonight's race. Tonight's race is for the extra duck race, and that was in the comment section of the stream that you're in right now. Okay, so if you filled out, so you'll be in for sure on the Sunday giveaway. You know what? I'll even add your name. We're doing one more race here, so we'll add your name here because that is a common mistake that happens. Is we have two forms. One's on the Discord, one we pin in the chat here. So, okay, yeah. Michael dash Crow. KROGH. There we go. Good luck here, guys. One more race here. 7 seconds. Rocket blasters coming on here. Rocket scooters to the end line here. Oh, Puran, you missed the entry? Sure, we can add Puran. Okay, good luck here, guys. Good luck. Here we go. Daz, did you get in there? You weren't in there, Daz? Yeah, I don't see Adam Daz in there either. Okay. He just add names in the list even though it was over. Okay, shuffle. Here we go. Good luck. What about Bob? Did I miss Bob? Drew 69 Malibu. I don't see Adam. Did I add an extra Adam Daz even though he was in there already? No, I don't see Adam Daz on the list. Don't worry. Drew, are you still here? Nice. Congrats, Drew. I didn't see him on the list either. Yeah, he wasn't in there. So, what was the order here? Drew 69, Keith Smith, Wayne, Adam Daz, 4th, Wrong Trade Jim. Who came last? STFU. Sorry, bro. You got rejected hard there. Reds Every Day gained 9th. M Brown. It's a tight one. It was a tight one. Look at that. Adam Daz right there trailing behind. Well, there we go, guys. We got the duck race out of the way. So we added four people got extra ducks into the Sunday giveaway here. Now let's take a look back at the chart real quick. See where we might be looking for a pullback in for an entry. Okay, let's take a look here. Let's go to the 15-minute. Okay. 15-minute chart here. So it looks like we have an unmitigated bullish fair value gap at 29,775. This could be a decent place for an entry. What about, is there a 30-minute? That's also a 30-minute chart fair value gap. We got a 1 hour also in that level. So we got quite a few confluences sort of lining up at this 29,775 area. So that would be a decent place for an entry. Obviously, not a guarantee. You know, it doesn't always work. But so far, we've been respecting fair value gaps. Sorry, I'm going to change this song here real quick. We've been on this one for way too long. Wasn't this a negative entry for the winner? Hey, add me too, or just 2 or 3 more times. Thanks. 29.1622 was resistance. Adam Daz, what? How? You didn't get your account? Oh, did you I went earlier in the stream, you are the mod, but I got scammed? Oh, really? 3M got some red delta TP1. Yeah, so I kind of like this idea of, you know, 775 for a potential long if we get a pullback to there, but you know, we're not really showing it much signs of getting a pullback. We do have this on the 5-minute, it's 780, but I kind of like the 15-minute fair value gap here for a potential long.
Choose value area high, value area low. Market tells a story if you already know. Most traders listen after it's too late, then blame manipulation instead of their fate. Austin Silver taught patience pays. Evan Dyer showed discipline stays. Every level got a reason to exist. Most traders never even notice this. No FOMO, no revenge, no oversizing, no nonsense, just levels. Execution. Mustang, calling levels before they hit, but you're executing every piece of it. Chat saying, how'd you know that zone? Because we've seen this movie before.
At the end, gave me a code for trade day. Then I had a technical issue on trade day site. After some time, they upgraded their site. I tried the code, not working. Oh. You shorted near 29,830 for the drop, 25 points. That looks like a nice short. Nice short. Nice trade. Nice trade. Beautiful. Oh, no, it's all good, bro. No worries. Do not hesitate to say anything you want in the chat. Yeah, Trina, I do pretty much Monday to Friday. I'm live for market open, 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and then Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday evenings at 10:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So yeah, I stream quite a bit. Mustang trader. Market. Is that an order block right there? Some of you ICT people, would this be called an order block on the 15-minute chart? This guy? You're done. It really has been a long week. I hope everyone had a safe and happy 4th. Hey, Jaded. Thank you for that. I hope you do too. Pre-market with Mustang, the copy trade, or master plus turtle savior. Yeah. Yeah. Nick's live pre-market. If you guys, I did link his channel there a couple times. If you guys search for Mustang period trader, actually I have it here. Right here, actually, I can copy it and send it over there one more time. So I trade live Monday to Friday with Nick. Here's his YouTube channel. If you want to hop on over there and hit him a subscribe. He started with we got him about 4 subscribers today. Oh, nice, 6 subscribers. So. Can you believe this is the last Thursday that someone will have 10 fingers? What do you mean? Hey, Chris. Yeah, Sunday, Tuesday, Thursday for the most part, Chris. We're usually trying to do them Sunday, Tuesday, Thursday. So yeah, you guys can join Nick. He's on probably 7:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And then I get on around 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. We will be live tomorrow morning. Also, hey, thanks, Sai. Appreciate it. So we will be live tomorrow morning, 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Nick usually gets on at 7:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, give or take a little bit. So if you guys are up early and want to hang out with him, definitely head over there. If not, me and him stream together 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So yeah, thanks everybody for tuning in. Thank you for the support. How many likes did we get? We're at 103. 108 likes. Woo! Thank you guys. Thank you. And how did we get on the subscribers? We were at 1656 earlier. Nice. We got three more subscribers too. Awesome. What a great day. So that was like about 35 subscribers today. Pretty awesome. But yeah, guys, I think I am going to wrap up the stream here. I got to be up early. As you know, 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time comes pretty early when we're up this late already. So I did make 846 in that trade. If you guys, here's my executions on the chart. Could have held it for quite a bit longer though, hey guys. Just targeted those 800 orders. Took my profits relatively early, but it's all good. Didn't want to get caught in a big pullback. Entered there, added one, entered 3 more there, 3 more there. Ended up taking profits as we got close to the top of this wick, just in case we decide to reverse again. And then got our last contract up right before the 800s. And look at that, just going higher and higher and higher. Yeah, we're getting about 30. You know, on these good days when it's like a holiday, the next day, usually we get about 30 subscribers per day. So, Raphael Cini, don't trust any of those. We got a lot of scammers through FSP server. Oh, really? Yeah, be careful. Thanks, Michael. You have a good one also. Oh, yeah, this is looking bullish. I don't see any reason why it's going to change right now. We have contracts still above at 850. Let's take a little bit higher here. And we got a whole bunch of contracts coming on at 900. So there's 113 contracts up at 29,900. So I do see this this 15-minute bearish fair value gap here. So there's a good chance we're going to end, you know, at least get there sometime in London. Not financial advice. Don't just jump into a long and just assume that we're going to get there. Be careful on these trades. But that just also lines up with the 900, the 112 contracts up at the 900. And this is a channel here that I have had in for a long time. So there's a good chance we're going to trade to the top of the channel. It might end up sort of being over here, maybe just touching the bottom of this fair value gap. So maybe like 870, 880. But you never know. When London rolls around, we might end up getting all the way up to value area high. Who knows? Hard to say at this point, but no reason to be looking for shorts, in my opinion, right now. Yeah, well, hey, just tune into the stream and just we're always using Bookmap, so you can watch it live and just kind of get our analysis on how to use Bookmap. Really, the main thing is when you know where the orders are, typically price likes to go to them, right? So I don't base my trade fully on that. You got to build your trade plan off of the chart. So look at structure, look at the VWAPs, look at fair value gaps. That's what I use anyways for my entry criterias. And then use the orders on the book map sort of for targets or for potential, added confluences, right? But yeah, thanks everybody. Let's do our little shout out here. So I usually give a shout out to the top 50 chats before we sign off here. So thank you for tuning in, everybody. I appreciate you guys. Jerry Trades Futures, Angia, Kyle Shees, Wrong Trade Jim, Trina Banana, GLaDOS, Lone Wolf Blue, Miss K 911, Randall Paul, Force Fed, Ryan Entourage, Marty, Gordon, Adam, Aladdin, Clee, Elite Legacy, Drew 69 Malibu, Wayne Hectron, The Elevated Life, Charles Jolly, Yo Jim Knob, Topple Fiddle, You Got This Wilson, Raphael Sheeny, Rob Miller, Ishan Goel, JRUO4EP, Musashi, Wicked Wicks, Red's Everyday Dog Training, Jane Bond, Keith Matthews, Soul Search Gurus, Ryan Hansen, M. Brown, Sat, Mr. RHO, Jaded, TG Cyrus, FN Trades, Psy143 Cool, Vintage Based, Michael Krog, Puran, Zero Profits, Chris, Zwinak, and B Flu. Thanks guys for tuning in. Love you guys. Appreciate the support. We had a killer stream. It was a fun one. We got about 70 people watching right now. Looks like about 5 people in X still, 6 people in X. And yeah, hit 108 likes, maybe a couple more. Let's see. Did we hit 110? Did we hit 110 likes? 111 likes. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. Subscriber list going up to there. 1659. Did we get 1660? Did we get one more? 1661 subscribers. Thank you guys. I appreciate you. That was a killer stream tonight. It was awesome. Had a lot of fun and caught a banger trade. Hopefully you guys are green. We'll be live again tomorrow morning, 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard. 9:15 a.m. 9:15 a.m. 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So come hang out, have a good time. We'll try to make some more money. Keep in mind, it is a bank holiday tomorrow, so we're gonna have less volume. Sometimes the days can be choppy. Sometimes these holiday days can be super clean and just runs all day. So hopefully we get a good one tomorrow. So from red to green, thanks to you. Hey, thanks, Musashi. Appreciate it. It's all you, bud. It's all you. Thanks, guys. Appreciate you. Have a great night. And we'll see you on the flip side. Love you. Thank you. Thank you. I like you look pretty sweet in that picture, bro. I like the glasses. Pretty cool. Puran. Well, hey Michael, the good thing is I only have to say 50 people on the top 50 chats is usually what I go through. So, but yeah, it's pretty long exit just to say the 50 people, anyways. Good night, Aladdin. Thank you for the stream. See you later, Wilson. Okay, Greg. Nice stream, by the way. Have a great day. Thank you for that. I appreciate that. Thanks for your input, Trina. Have a great night, Trina. Yeah, Bookmap is awesome. Good night, Red. Good night. Adam Daz. Peace out, brother. What? What? 10 fingers? Thanks, everybody. Peace out. Have a great night. Love you. No, the market isn't closed tomorrow, Skeletor. It's open. Just a bank holiday. It'll be a half day. Bye-bye.